The central nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord. And to me, it's like the parents. They're the ones that are leading the body, that make the most of the decisions and decide how we're going to respond to things. So the brain and spinal cord are like our parents. Peripheral nervous system are all the nerves that come off the body. When we look at the brain and spinal cord and we look at all of our nerves and then the receptors that are talking to the nerve. Most texts will teach that the peripheral nervous system is the nerves. I like to include that it's also the receptors to identify what are the stimulus, internal and external. And I look at these are the kids, the peripheral nervous system, the kids. So all of the peripheral, so towards the outside, the peripheral nerves are talking to the parents. The peripheral nervous system are the kids. They come up with the problems. They go talk to the parents, the brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord decide what to do and then respond back out. We'll call that a sensory, an interpretation, and then a motor function later on. So we have two just basic systems. We're going to break down that further.